Welcome to the Real Estate Pros Show, where we interview real estate investing professionals from coast to coast, as well as the service providers that serve the real estate investing industry. Our goal is simple: share what's working now to help you improve and scale your business to the next level and meet the pros that can help you get there. Real Estate Pros is powered by Investor Fuel, America's leader in helping real estate investors and professionals build the business you need to live the life you've always dreamed of. Let's start today's show. Property insurance for real estate investors doesn't have to be difficult, but it does need to be there to protect you when you need it. MyInvestorInsurance.com not only provides insurance at 15 to 30% cheaper than traditional agencies, it's built specifically for real estate investors like you. You can set up an account in about 2 minutes, get quotes on properties, turn on and turn off insurance for your fix and flip or rental properties in around 2 minutes without having to talk to anyone directly, all through our portal. There's no better way or faster way to make sure you've got the coverage you need to protect you, and no more lengthy policies either. Once you're set up, you're billed monthly and prorated by the day for however long your policy is active. It's powered by MSI, the third largest independent MGA, with 1.5 million customers and more than $1 billion in cumulative premiums written. Get set up today in about 2 minutes at myinvestorinsurance.com/fuel.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Real Estate Pros Show. I'm your host, Erika Proctor, and today I'm thrilled to be joined by Darren Kaplan, branch manager and mortgage superstar at Total Mortgage Services. Darren, thanks so much for joining us today.
Appreciate it. Thank you for having me. Definitely.
I know our listeners, whether they're new to real estate or they're a seasoned pro, they're going to love your insights on the mortgage process. So we need to dive in now. Can you give us a quick rundown of what your main focus is at Total Mortgage?
It's definitely 100% helping people who can normally walk in their bank and get a mortgage by either purchasing a home or refinancing if you're already a homeowner. So not everybody's fortunate enough to actually say, hey, I have all the money to put down, or I have the best credit, or my employment is in current standing. So
What markets are you currently serving in?
primarily it's the Northeast, right? I'm in the Southeast as well, but we're up and down that whole East Coast. I have the branch here in South Carolina, so we try to really spend most of our time here, but it's that whole shift of people moving, out of the Northeast to the Southeast.
With all the years of experience that you have, what would you say is the secret sauce to keeping clients happy and closing deals efficiently, especially in today's market?
Well, yeah, I just hit my 25th year, right? So it's definitely been different between my 20s, my 30s, and now my 40s. I think I've approached people absolutely differently, but really just being cool, calm, and collective, right? I have a little saying, which is, hey, if you're an ace, you're going to get a home. And when we say ace, we mean assets, credit, employment. And when somebody comes to me and says, hey, Darren, I want to buy a house, but there's always a but behind it. But what? Your income's not good, your credit's not good, you don't have enough money, though we want to still help you. We want to still work with you, and that's how we approach it.
It's great. Every real estate pro, and I'm sure this is the case in the mortgage industry, that you've had a deal that's been kind of difficult, or you had to think fast on your feet. Do you have a situation like that, and how did you handle it?
No doubt about it. So here, check this out. Ready? So bank comes in, big bank, appraises the house. The house has a leaky roof, a water heater blown, and a couple of cabinets falling down. Borrower was like, but we really love this house. And the bank says, okay, well, if you fix all of that, you could be the owner, right? So the borrower says, well, I don't have the extra money to fix it. What do I do? The bank says, well, unfortunately, the appraisal came back subject to fixing all that. You have to fix it. So the borrower came to me and said, Darren, what should we do? And I said, look, clearly, this seems like a real renovational type of loan. In a limited 203K, we can fix the roof,
Stop living on an island and join the #1 mastermind in America for professional real estate investors. Investor Fuel is a community of hundreds of the nation's top investors working together to build stronger businesses and better lives. In addition to the amazing community of real estate investors acting as a board of advisors for one another, Investor Fuel members have access to 100% funding on purchase and repairs for our members only, a health insurance program, and benefits and discounts that more than pays for the membership of most of our members, meaning it's actually costing you money to not be a member of Investor Fuel. If you're looking to scale your business and build a business that allows you to live the life of your dreams, please visit investorfuel.com today and book a call with our team.
The bathroom, what other few things that you want to fix that may be on your bullet list, and you can still be the homeowner. Almost at the same price and almost at the same payment that you're already paying now. And what did he say? No problem. We pulled the file in, we scanned it in, got our bid, transferred the appraisal, and now that homeowner was able to close actually faster than a normal process because we were already halfway there. So.
That's awesome. You turned a difficult situation into, quite an awesome results. So that's great.
But why wouldn't anybody do that, right? And it's just because the bank that they went to didn't offer those type of loans. So the borrower sat stuck, and what do I do, right? So
the one thing that I noticed when I was looking at Total Mortgage is you have something called a Greenlight Approval Program. Can you share more about how that works? And it seems like it's very effective.
Greenlight's one of our most awesome programs, and the realtors, they love it even more. And this is why. From the listing end to the buyer's end. So you come in, you get approved for a mortgage, right? We pull your credit, we look at your documents, we do all the thorough checks that you have to actually get a mortgage. And then what we do is we issue you a commitment to lend. So now when you're going to put offers in on homes, you're not just submitting your pre-approval, but you're also submitting your commitment. And then so you're only, we call it 21 days, but most likely you could close faster, your appraisal, title, insurance, and contract away from closing. So.
Fantastic. So another thing that I was checking out is, a lot of our viewers, who are a little bit more experienced, they deal with high value properties. What kind of advice would you give to someone who's dealing with a jumbo mortgage, and how would you help them get set up for success?
All right. So the jumbo mortgage process is a little different than like your first time home buyer or somebody who's got less money to work with. So if you're buying jumbo, and let's just say it's somebody who has enough money in reserves to work with. Let's use that as the right client, right? I would go with a guaranteed mortgage. I wouldn't go with like the adjustable or the buy down. Now, people may think differently, and Darren, you're wrong and whatever. But if you really have enough money, why don't you just set it and forget it, right? Take the one rate, the one fixed product, whatever that maximum or minimum amount that you want to put down versus the payment, whatever that comfortability level is, that amount of money, and you pay that for the next however many years. If you want to get it paid early, apply a couple of extra payments towards the principal per year. That'll get you down from like that 30-year to the 22-year over 22 years, right? So you'll be able to save 7 or 8 years off that mark. But when it comes to jumbo, if you have the money already, don't worry so much. Just buy what you love. Accept the payment for what it is, right? You got the reserves. And then in the future, if you have to sell it or you have to get out, you'll have more equity in that to apply to maybe a smaller home or something more affordable. But I don't think that people are thinking that when they think jumbo. They think, what can I buy? Where's my payment? And, do I love this home? And that's what you should be thinking when it comes to that.
That's some really, really great advice. Here at Real Estate Pros, we really value building relationships, and I'm sure you have a lot of experience with like the industry that you're in with mortgages. What has been the biggest game changer for you with building a strong network?
So I am from New York.
If you're looking for consistent, high-quality leads, look no further than Investor Machine. Investor Machine isn't just another agency, it's the most sophisticated, data-driven lead generation company on the planet for real estate investors, and serves the role of being not just a lead generator for your business, but a marketing partner that is helping you achieve your goals along the way. Go to investormachine.com to learn more and schedule a call with our team today.
Right, so up north, Long Island, right, and I moved to Chapin, South Carolina, so I had to like kind of start all over again, right? So during that time, people give you advice, oh, you got to join this club, you got to meet people here, you got to do all this. And I consider myself a pretty seasoned veteran on how to obtain and get business. But what I noticed was everybody was at that same spot. So they go to this networking meeting, it's everybody, the 200 people. And then they go to this networking meeting and it's the same 200 people that go, right? And then they go to this networking meeting and it's the same 200 people, right? So if you can figure out your own niche and compete with yourself and know that you're the only person or one of two in that mix, I think that would be the best advice, trying to start or attend a group or a networking group that where you're the only one, or just have a special niche like I do. Like I deal with people with negative and shaky credit, right? Crappy credit or low down payments, and that's my niche. Jumbo mortgages are some other people's niche. Lake homes, those are some other. So if you have your niche and you're able to go and sell your niche and be your niche, then yes, do those. Do as many of those as you can. Get out there, let people know what you're doing. You don't have to sell. People will just know, oh, you got bad credit, go deal with Darren. Your credit's not great. Oh, they denied you. Why? They said my credit wasn't good. Oh, what advice did they give you? Nothing. So and I think going out there and being you and finding what you do and where you do it, that'll be the most successful thing.
That's really, really good advice. And people want to do business with people they like, know, and trust, and you've got to go out there in order for that to happen.
Of course, without a doubt, definitely. But also, I think working from your desk and doing it remote, I'm a big believer in that as well. It's not just face to face, because look, I could do 10 meetings in a day on Zoom where I can only do one networking meeting. I'm so shot after it. I gave it everything I had. You have to, go above and beyond who you are, right? To make other people happy as opposed to just one or two people happy on Zoom, So I think a little bit of everything, a good mix, healthy mix of it.
Yep.
I like that.
Yep. Can't put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly, for sure.
So what would you say is next on the horizon with Total Mortgage? Are you going to dive deep into something, or what do you have that's coming up that you're excited about?
The culture at Total Mortgage is amazing. We're a young group of guys, women too, obviously, right? It's not like you're older, privately, Fortune 500 type of atmosphere. It's really a customer service tech-driven company with amazing people behind it, right? Everything from soup to nuts that they have that give you the capabilities of, whether you're a beginner loan officer or you're an advanced loan officer, of really diversifying, and you think you're doing worse where you are now, you come to Total Mortgage and you become a superstar. And the reason being is because you get loans done. They have the technology. They engage with your clientele. All the things that make a successful loan officer, right, is usually within the person. Showing up to work, having the ability to talk, having the ability to put loans together. And when you have all of that, plus the type of company that we have, it's an amazing explosion. There are tons of companies that are good. Everybody loves their company. Who doesn't? Oh, I hate my company, they stink. No way. You love your company, and you love your company for a reason. Guys love Movement Mortgage. They love Cross Country. They love Guild. They feel like they're part of that. The problem is that the companies really don't care about the individual loan officer as much as they say they do.
If you're a new or newer real estate investor looking to launch or grow your real estate investing business, please check out Investor Fuel Club. It's a coaching community, but unlike anything you've ever seen before. And you can actually partner with members of our mastermind from coast to coast on deals right in your market. There's no better opportunity to build a consistent business than to literally partner with pros to help you avoid costly mistakes, avoid the need for capital to do deals, and help you eliminate your fears as you're starting your business. Learn more about Investor Fuel Club at investorfuel.com/club.
But Total Mortgage has that different feeling. So,
Well, that's really great to hear. I mean, the passion that you're speaking from, I can see what a great place it must be. So
it's a long time coming.
So before we go, if a listener wants to connect to you, whether they're a buyer, or a realtor looking to partner with, or they just want to pick your brain about the mortgage process, what's the best way for them to reach you?
Absolutely, right? 844-772-LOAN, right? You call me, you text me, I'm always there. But you could check out our website, right? It's chapinmortgages.com, or just Google me, Mr. Mortgage Guru. If you don't see me, it's not me. But you can't miss me if you do all that. We have a YouTube channel. It's Mr. Mortgage Guru. It's got some old content on there, but it's cool to see some of like what you used to do versus like what's there today type of thing. So.
Well, Darren, you're clearly passionate about what you do and helping people achieve homeownership dreams. It's been really great having you on today. Thanks for dropping all your knowledge.
Definitely. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Remember, be kind to yourself and everybody around you, right?
Yes. To everyone tuned in, if you love this episode, make sure to subscribe to Real Estate Show Pros for more conversations with top players like Darren who are making things happen in the real estate and mortgage world. Until next time, keep building, keep closing, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks for joining us for today's Real Estate Pros Show. You can learn more about the amazing benefits of the Investor Fuel Mastermind community, including surrounding yourself with hundreds of other rock stars, 100% financing for your deals, and members-only discounts from vendors you're likely already using that, as a member of Investor Fuel, will save you more than the cost of your membership. Visit investorfuel.com to learn more. If you're interested in joining us as a guest of this show, please visit investorfuel.com/pros to apply. You can also check the show notes for access to free resources, how to get access to world-class lead generation, and much more. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another episode. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next show.